YouTube is changing the mobile watch page again, and this one matters because most viewers are not sitting at a desktop, they are watching from their phone. Straight up, scrolling fast, tapping fast, barely giving the screen a second look. So when YouTube moves buttons around, content creators need to pay attention. So, a little birdie told me that YouTube is cleaning up the portrait layout on mobile. The like, dislike, share, and ask buttons are getting new icons. The public like count is also moving. Instead of sitting on the like button, it will show under the video title next to the channel name. That may sound small, but layout changes affect what viewers notice first, and what they miss completely. The scrolling menu is being removed. That means buttons like save, download, and report are no longer sitting out in the open. They are being tucked inside the three-dot menu. So now viewers have to know where to look. And let's be real, most casual viewers are not digging through menus unless they already plan to. This does not change desktop. It does not change TV. It does not change landscape mode. This is strictly for mobile portrait mode. But mobile portrait mode is where a lot of viewers live. So this is not just a design update, it changes how people interact with your video, what they tap, what they ignore, what disappears from their line of sight, hell, and even what they can't find. Content creators, this is worth paying attention to because when YouTube moves buttons, hides buttons, or changes where numbers appear, viewer behavior can change with it. So here's my question. Do you think this cleaner layout helps creators, or is YouTube making the important buttons harder to find? Catch the trap before it catches your channel. If you want creator protection and YouTube policy simplified without the corporate fog, subscribe and stay close.